Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at the Samsung Giga Party audio speaker. The model number is MX-T70 and I got this because it has here that is 1500 watts and there are RMS. That means that it's always continuously giving you the 1500 watts. Now, it is Bluetooth compatible. You can connect more than one speaker at a time. It does have a karaoke mode, bass booster. It has some party lights and it has a built-in woofer. So let's open it up and find out what it looks like. Here's the user manual. MX-T70. Alright, so let's put this to the side. Here you have the power cable. Here's a remote. So you have the power, light, pairing, USB, aux, DJ, different effects, up and down. It uses two AAA batteries. I saw the batteries that came with the cable. They were here, but I couldn't see them because they had a plastic wrap around it, but the batteries are included. So I've taken it out of the box and here we have the bottom of the speaker. This is the back. So it has a handle on the bottom so you can lift from there. And then you have some connections here. There's another handle here. And then you have these buttons. The first one is for pairing Bluetooth. The second one is you can pair with other speakers so you can play stereo. Then you have group play. And then you have two USB ports here. One of them is 2.1 and the other one's 0.5. 1 and 2. So you have the echo for your karaoke here. Volume, mic 1 here, and then you have the group play, in and out. Then you have mic 2 here with its own volume 2 and echo, so you can have different echoes and different volumes for the microphones for these two right here. And then you have a 3.5 jack here. So that's pretty cool. It has plenty of inputs. Okay, so let's turn it around. Looking at the front of the speaker, it looks this way. Now, as you can see, on each side it has a horn for the highs. And then you have like a mid-range speaker. And then the subwoofer is down here. It's a 10-inch woofer. And it has plenty of space for the bass to travel back and forth. And on this side, the same thing. And then you have the controls on top. This gap is useful so you can put your cell phone here and rest it here. Or you can use the whole thing if you have like a tablet. My phone has a thick case, so I don't think it fits here. So I wish this was a little bit wider so you can fit your phone with a case on there or a tablet with its case. I thought the grill was gonna be kind of thin, but it's pretty hard. I'm trying to push it in and it doesn't cave in. So pretty sturdy. Of course, if you want to carry it, you gotta carry it from the back. Do not try to put this on your hip or try to carry it on this, because with 60 something pounds this weights, you might damage the grill. At the bottom of the speaker, you have nice rubber pieces here so the speaker doesn't move. And then you have this big hole in here so you can see the bottom of the subwoofer. This is where the bass travels through. Here you have some clear plastic, the LEDs. Then you have the continuous grill down here, which looks pretty cool. It has a really nice design. To connect the speaker, you have the cable running in the back of the bottom of the speaker. It actually has power here. You can barely see it, but it's down here. I kind of don't like the design where you have to kind of sneak in here to connect the cable to power the speaker. Perhaps there's a good reason for that. I wish it could have been on the side or somewhere where it's easier to plug it in. Now that we've connected it, now let's give it some power. And then you have a really nice display here. It's trying to connect to the Bluetooth. Play demo if you press play 5 seconds. So let's do that. The volume was all the way up. Alright, so you can hear the highs here. And then you have the mids. And then the woofer, you have the light above it. And on the legs, you have those lights going on. Let's try putting some music. So now let's go to the USB. And what it's gonna do is gonna read all the files that the USB has. And then it's gonna play the first one. And you can search if you want with your remote or using the controls here. So you can put the tempo faster, slower. That's the regular timing right there. Now that you have the music going, now you can turn on the lights. That's the ambiance right there. Party. Dance. Thunderbolt. Star. Then off. I have a wireless microphone that I plugged in the back. Hello. Hello. You can hear the echo of the microphone. Another cool feature that you can do with the lights, to download the Samsung Sound Tower Giga Party audio application. Once it's installed, put the speaker to pairing, and you can see the speaker here. It's connecting, and back there it says Bluetooth ready. Okay, so the remote here, let's click here. So the buttons on the remote are also here. So you have the bass booster here, Bluetooth audio here, tips. So to change the colors, you can change them from the phone. And then you have the same settings as you have on the remote. So as you can see, the USB drive is on the speaker, but I can control it from my phone, and I can see the songs that I've created in one of the folders. So you can play around with that music or music from your phone. You can play around with the lights. It's a nice app. As you can see, you can make different changes to the sounds, the effects from the application. You can use the remote, but it's nice to have a visual on your phone or your tablet. Also, my laptop has Bluetooth, so I can connect that. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.